જે કંઈ પણ છે એ બધું યાદ રાખવાનું છે હે નહીં યસ ડ્રામામાં તમે જોઈને થોડા બોલશો નેક્સ્ટ સેટરડે Now listen to me. Next Saturday when we meet. When will we meet? After 2-3 Saturdays. Next Saturday when we meet. Almost a month. Now, in a little while, the 3 bears came back. Let me finish this, Rishi. Everyone, let me finish this. In a little while, the 3 bears came back from their walk. When they opened the door, they saw that someone had been there. Papa Bear looked around and said in his great big Papa Bear voice. Now should I change my voice? Okay. Somebody has been eating my porridge. Then Mama Bear said in her quiet, gentle voice. Somebody has been eating my porridge. Then Little Bear said in his little voice. Somebody has been eating my porridge. And they ate it all up. Again exclamation. અહીંયા શું exclamation બતાવે છે આપણને? They ate it all up. Whoever has come in the house, એ બધું porridge ખાઈ ગયા. So what would you feel? Fear, surprise કે shock? Shock. Shock. Okay? Then the 3 bears went into the parlor. Papa Bear looked at his great big chair and said in his great big Papa Bear voice, somebody has been sitting in my chair. Mama Bear looked at her chair and said in her quiet, gentle voice, somebody has been sitting in my chair. Little Bear looked at his chair and said in his little voice, somebody has been sitting in my chair and now it is broken into pieces. Again exclamation. Shock. Yes. What was broken into pieces?
Chair.
The chair, and before this something else was broken. No. Yeah. So first it was that Goldilocks sat and her chair broke, and now the little bear sees it. Any chair to be good. So it is a chair that is broken. Then the 3 bears went upstairs. Papa Bear saw at once that his bed had been slept in. Papa Bear said in his great big Papa Bear voice, somebody has been sleeping in my bed. Mama Bear looked at her chair and said in her quiet, gentle voice, saw that her bed had been slept in. Somebody has been sleeping in my bed. Then Little Bear looked at his bed and said in his little voice, somebody has been sleeping in my bed and she is still there. Okay, exclamation almost બધા dialogues માં છે because they are surprised and shocked. Okay? Yeah.
What is meaning of
Oh, slept. Slept is the past tense of sleep. Sleep, slept. He squeaked so loudly that Goldilocks woke up. She jumped out of bed and away she ran. I'll send you out. You will not take that. Seriously. She jumped out of bed and away she ran down the stairs and out into the forest. And the 3 bears never saw her again. Okay? This is the way you narrate a story. I know it's not the perfect way, but you can implement these strategies. આમાં આ બધું કવર થવું જોઈએ. ઓકે મેબી આઈ લેગ્ડ હિયર મેબી મારો પોસ્ટર એટલો સારો નતો રાઈટ બીકોઝ આઈ વાઝ મૂવિંગ અરાઉન્ડ એન્ડ ઓલ but you have to take care of this. Okay? And the other elements also. Fine? So storytelling is done. Now let's do The dramas. First we start with yeah, fine. Uh-huh. If you don't have the printouts, I have the printouts. I will give it to you. Remain patient at least. Now these are the characters that we decided last time, and I have sent you the online copies, which I can see that you have not learned the dialogues. નથી learn કર્યા, right? Learn કરવા એટલે કે memorize કરવું, મોઢે કરવું. આ બધા જેટલા જણા છે એ લોકોએ બધું મોઢે કરવું પડશે. Not the entire play. જે તમારા dialogues હોય ને ઈ જ ખાલી memorize કરવાના છે. And since there are like 8 characters in one single play, તમને maximum 2-3 dialogues મળશે. થોડાક જ એવા characters છે કે જેને બહુ બધા dialogues છે. અને ઈ મેં જોઈ વિચારીને જ આપ્યું છે. જે memorize કરી શકે એમ છે એને main role આપી દીધો છે. Understanding? Right now I will give you the printouts. જેટલા પણ જણા છે દરેક પ્લેમાં I will give you your printouts. અહીંયા જે રોલ લખ્યો છે ઈ જ રોલ છે. These are the final roles. I have swapped Dharmi with Prisha because Dharmi's role was repeated. Okay, Dharmi? Now, હું જ્યારે તમને printout આપું, first thing that you are doing is highlighting your dialogues. Underlining doesn't work. Highlighting એટલે કે either use a highlighter or a color pencil or a color crayon to just highlight the dialogue. હું એકમાં બતાવીશ કેમ કરાય છે. And in that way you highlight your dialogue so that you can memorize. You have the printouts? Okay, you start highlighting. I'll show it to everyone. Wait. Not the entire dialogue. No. Not the entire. See, he has highlighted the entire dialogue but not the entire dialogue. Aya, let's check, and he has got narrator 3's role here, Arya. Okay, so that is why aya je narrator 3 લખ્યું છે ને એટલા જ પાર્ટમાં ઈ કલર કરશે. And this is not a coloring activity. This is just to make sure કે તમે બધું યાદ રાખો. કે જ્યાં તમારો કલર તમને દેખાશે ને અહીંયા ખબર પડશે અહીંયા મારો ડાયલોગ છે, અહીંયા છે. And one more thing, ખાલી મારો ડાયલોગ યાદ રાખવો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ નથી. એની પહેલા કોણ શું બોલે છે, મારી પછી કોણ શું બોલે છે ઈ પણ યાદ રાખવું પડશે. એકર કોન્ટેક્સ્ટ ખબર નહીં પડે, મારે કોની પછી બોલવાનું છે તો ખબર હોવી જોઈએ ને. So look at the dialogues that are before you. Once you finish highlighting, start memorizing. I'll give you 15-20 minutes પછી હું બોલાવીશ. Understood? કેટલું યાદ રહે એટલું.